Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove Meta AI from Messenger app. If you're using Facebook Messenger and now you want to remove Meta AI from your Messenger apps, let's see how you can do that. So, in your Facebook Messenger, you haven't any way to remove your Meta AI, but you can mute this. Now to do that, just tap on this search option here. There's a circle which is Meta AI. Just tap on the circle here. And now on this screen, just tap on the name of Meta AI. And from here, just tap on this bell icon, then tap on this. And here, just tap on until I change it. So once you have muted Meta AI, you will not get any notification from Meta AI until you unmute this. You can see there's a mute option here. So you have successfully muted Meta AI. So in your Facebook Messenger, you haven't any way to remove this, but you can mute that. Then tap on this, keep a long press on it, then tap on delete, then tap on delete option again. So it will be deleted from your home screen on your Meta AI. Or the one more thing you can do, you can archive this chat. Just go to Meta AI here. Once you see Meta AI in your chats, just keep a long press on it, then tap on archive. So once you have archived, you will not get Meta AI in your chats again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.